Hello everyone, my name is Hani Dalee. I am from Qatar. I'm going to talk about the Qatar Astronomy Olympiad for schools. This Olympiad has started in 2015. It belongs to the University of HBKU. The competition is dedicated for the students in both middle and high schools. The topics are about astronomy, astrophysics, and space physics, and other applicable topics. So far, 6 Olympiads were organized with 17 astronomical projects carried out by students. Due to COVID-19, the last 2 Olympiads were carried online, and the results were announced on digital stages of the Ministry of Education. The average number of students participating in the Olympiad each year is about 300, plus minus, and the number of schools is about 60 schools per year. The projects of the Olympiads, each competition was fulfilling particular objectives, depending on the students themselves, whether they are middle or high school students. Astrophysics and calculational projects were assigned for the high school students. We have carried out 6 Olympiads. The first was in 2015-16, and the projects were Eratosthenes measures the circumference of the Earth, how the Big Dipper will look like after 100,000 years, hands-on for the real model of the solar system, and assemble your Galilean telescope. The second Olympiad was about how to make a sundial for your school and how to make an astrolab, and I advise you to visit this video. I am talking about the details of how to make your astrolab. The third was about Al-Biruni measures the radius of the Earth and make your own star dome, and the study of the calendar or Qatari calendar about how the sun moves in the sky. The fourth was about the physics of the winter hexagon stars, and to make a model for those stars and to draw constellations of the winter hexagon. You can see the drawings. The fifth was about the first of all Mercury transit in November 2019, and the annular solar eclipse 26th of December, again the same year, and the Voyager's pale blue dot, the 30th anniversary, which was in February 2020. We asked them to make drawings for each of these 3 events. The last and the current one is the Olympiad about the measurements of the moon and how to measure the distance of the moon by parallax. These projects are available in details. You can contact me if you wish, and to get more details about them. The benefits of the Olympiad, the school Olympiad, while meeting students at different activities, especially at the exhibition period of the prize ceremonies, we can feel the enthusiasm in their manner of talking and explaining and trying to grab the marks from the jury for their great efforts they did in order to win. And some outputs of the Olympiad is the amateur astronomy in Qatar. It's a group, it is open for communities, especially families. We are doing outings for stargazing to observe astro events. And the other output is the International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, the team of Qatar, which has been participating for the 4th time for this year. Okay, we didn't win, but at least the experience of the students is the great win. So thank you for listening for me, and bye-bye.